Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'll show you how you can train ChatGPT with powerful prompts to boost sales, automate growth, and improve your business strategy. Because here's the truth, the better your prompt, the smarter your AI results. So let's unlock the secret to training ChatGPT like a real business assistant. So why prompts matter? So most people type something simple like write me a sales email, but that's like asking someone to sell without context. The ChatGPT gives you exactly what you ask for, so when you give it smarter prompts, it gives you smarter output. That's why learning how to train it through prompts is a game changer for your sales and growth strategy. The first step, you need to define your AI's role. So give ChatGPT a role. For example, you can go like this. Act as a senior marketing strategist for an e-commerce brand that sells skincare products. So this will set the tone, knowledge level, and target audience, and instantly making the AI responses more relevant. So think of it as telling your AI who it is before it starts working. And step 2, add specific goals. So you need to clearly state your goal instead of just saying write a sales pitch. You can say it like this. So I'm going to just go with this. So act as a senior marketing strategist, I will ask ChatGPT to write me a 3-paragraph sales pitch that increases conversions for a $29 skincare serum targeting women aged 25 to 40. You can try to generate. So the more you define who, what, and why, the more accurate and actionable your result. And the next step, you can use the train and improve. Once ChatGPT gives a result like this, for example, so don't stop there. You can train it in real time using this feedback loop. For example, once it's done, I'm going to ask them to shorten it into social media captions with emojis. So hit on enter again. So each feedback trains ChatGPT to understand your brand style and voice better, just like a human assistant. And if you use ChatGPT often for sales or marketing, you can use custom instruction, add your brand info, tone, and target audience there once, and ChatGPT will automatically apply it to every future chat. And that's how you can train ChatGPT long term without retyping the same details. So that's pretty much all. Now you learn how to train ChatGPT with smarter prompts for better sales and growth results. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget and keep prompting smart. Bye.